Barrister Ifeatu Okoye has been elected the Anambra State Chairman of the All Progressives Grand Alliance APGA in line with the constitution of the party. He was elected and sworn in alongside other 29 members of the state executive at the Professor Dora Akunyili Women Development Center, Oka. Governor Chuma Soludo of Anambra State, his Deputy Governor Dr. Nyekachukwu Bezim, stakeholders of the party, delegates of the State Congress, among others, witnessed the process. We have details.
Most of the winners, including the chairman, emerged through consensus arrangements as other aspirants stepped down for whom they believe will do better. The institutions where there was no agreement, the delegates decided the winner through open ballot, as it was in the case of the State Welfare Secretary, youth leader, among others. The party, in fairness and equity at state, local governments and ward levels, zoned and micro-zoned the positions to senatorial districts, local government areas and wards. The Ifeatu Okoye-led executive members succeeds Sanobat Obi's led administration. Speaking, Governor Soludo, who emphasized the need for the unity and progress of the party, encouraged the party faithful to put the party and the state first in their dealings. While assuring his commitment to the growth of APGA as the national leader of the party, Governor Soludo congratulated the winners and charged them with greater dedication.
To indicate interest, must have examined yourself. And with due respect, I have seen several of you, I know several of you, you are all very well qualified. You are all very well qualified. But only one person will occupy the office at this point in. Is that?
The Chief of Staff to the Governor, Mr. Ernest Ezeajoye, in an interview affirmed that the process was democratic and transparent enough to usher in a new and more formidable APGA state executive. He encouraged them to consolidate on the achievements of the past administration and take the party to greater heights. The new chairman, Barrister Okoye, in his inaugural speech, commended Governor Soludo for his selfless input to the success of the Congress and promised to work with his team to make APGA great. He called for the support of every stakeholder to enable them deliver effectively. Certificates of return were later presented to the new executive members by Governor Soludo.